Tossing and turning again tonight? You're not alone. Falling asleep can feel impossible, and reaching for a pill seems like the only solution. But before you do, consider this. Sleeping pills may work temporarily, yet they often leave you groggy, foggy-headed, and quietly dependent over time. What if there was a better way, a natural solution hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen? Certain everyday foods can calm your mind, support your body's sleep rhythm, and help you drift off more easily, without the side effects of medication. Imagine enjoying a tasty snack and waking up refreshed, instead of sluggish and stuck under grogginess. Curious to know which foods work like magic for your sleep? Before we reveal them, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a tip that could change your nights forever. Food number 8 might surprise you because it's something most people never think of when it comes to sleep. Mung bean sprouts. These humble pulses are nutritional powerhouses, quietly packed with compounds that help your body relax and prepare for rest. One of the key benefits is magnesium, a mineral known for its ability to calm tense muscles and soothe the nervous system. A gentle magnesium boost before bed can make that tightness in your shoulders or stiff legs melt away, giving your body the quiet it needs to settle. But magnesium is only part of the story. Mung bean sprouts also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts first into serotonin, the feel-good chemical, and then into melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time to sleep. This natural pathway supports your body's rhythm, helping you drift off without the abrupt effects or dependency of a pill. Unlike heavier dinners or late-night snacks, a light mung bean sprout salad is easy to digest. You won't feel weighed down or restless, making it ideal for an evening ritual. Preparing it is surprisingly simple. Rinse a cup of fresh sprouts, toss them with a splash of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of sea salt. You can add a few slices of cucumber or cherry tomatoes for freshness, keeping it crisp and light. The goal is to give your body nutrients that encourage relaxation, not a dense meal that fights sleep. Eating it about 1 to 2 hours before bed allows your system to absorb the magnesium and tryptophan at just the right time, supporting a natural, restorative rest. Sprouts may seem ordinary, but they carry an extraordinary impact on your sleep, gut health, and overall well-being. By choosing a nutrient-dense option like this, you're taking an empowered step toward reclaiming nights that once felt restless or frustrating. It's a subtle, yet profound reminder that sleep doesn't always require medication. Sometimes, the right combination of simple, natural foods can reset your body's rhythm, calm your mind, and guide you gently into the deep, restorative rest you've been missing. Mung bean sprouts are proof that what looks small on the plate can have a big effect on your nights. Food number 7 is a warm, comforting bowl of quinoa porridge made with almond milk, a simple ritual that can quietly transform your nights. Quinoa is a complete plant protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. This isn't just nutrition talk. A complete protein stabilizes your blood sugar while you sleep, helping prevent those frustrating 3 a.m. awakenings that leave you groggy and anxious. At the same time, the complex carbohydrates in quinoa gently encourage tryptophan, the precursor to serotonin and melatonin, to cross into your brain, supporting a natural deep sleep cycle. It's a perfect synergy. Protein keeps your energy balanced, while carbs open the door for your body's natural sleep chemicals to work effectively. Almond milk adds another layer of support, providing magnesium, which relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. This combination helps your body feel grounded and ready to rest, turning what might be a stressful pre-bedtime into a comforting ritual. Preparing this porridge is effortless. Cook a half cup of quinoa in almond milk until soft, add a touch of cinnamon or a few slices of banana for flavor, and enjoy it warm 1 to 2 hours before bed. The warmth and familiarity of a soft, creamy bowl triggers a sense of safety and relaxation, signaling to your body that it's time to slow down. Regularly including a bedtime quinoa porridge supports your body in a very subtle but profound way. You're not just eating, you're guiding your metabolism, hormones, and nervous system into harmony. Over time, those midnight wake-ups become fewer, and your sleep feels more restorative. It's proof that plant-based foods, when thoughtfully combined, can rival traditional sleep aids in both effectiveness and gentleness. By making a small, intentional choice like this, you reclaim control over your nights and reinforce that restful sleep is a skill you can nurture naturally. Now, if you think plant foods are powerful, wait until you see what happens when omega-3 meets melatonin in the next food. Food number 6 is a beautifully simple dinner, salmon paired with a touch of lemon balm, a combination that quietly prepares your body and mind for restorative sleep. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients celebrated for their ability to reduce inflammation and support brain health. When your body is less inflamed, your nervous system can settle more easily, creating the calm foundation needed for deep rest. Omega-3s also influence neurotransmitters that regulate mood and stress, making it easier to transition from the day's mental chatter into a relaxed state ready for sleep. Vitamin D, naturally present in salmon, plays a vital role in regulating sleep hormones, including melatonin. Adequate levels of this vitamin help your body recognize nightfall, encouraging a natural, consistent rhythm. When combined with lemon balm, a gentle herb known to reduce anxiety and soothe the mind, the effect is remarkably calming. Lemon balm supports the nervous system, easing tension in the body while quieting racing thoughts. Together, these ingredients create a powerful brain-calming effect that extends beyond the plate, signaling your body that it's safe to rest. Timing this meal is key. Eating salmon with lemon balm about 2 to 3 hours before bed allows your digestive system to process the nutrients without leaving you feeling heavy or restless. The warmth of a cooked, nourishing meal provides comfort, reinforcing a sense of safety and routine that your brain associates with sleep. Preparing it is simple. A piece of salmon lightly baked or pan-seared, seasoned with a little lemon balm and olive oil, creates a flavorful, easy-to-digest dish that feels indulgent yet purposeful. This dinner is more than food. It's a strategy for optimizing hormones, calming the brain, and supporting overall health. By choosing meals that nourish both body and mind, you're reclaiming control over your nights and establishing habits that protect long-term sleep quality. Small, intentional choices like this can profoundly influence how rested and alert you feel each day. When omega-3 meets vitamin D and calming herbs, you're not just eating, you're giving your brain the tools it needs to reset, restore, and renew. Food number 5 is a simple yet surprisingly powerful combination: sweet potato with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Sweet potatoes are more than a comforting evening snack. They're packed with complex carbohydrates that help stabilize cortisol, the stress hormone that can sabotage sleep if it spikes too late in the evening. When your cortisol levels remain steady, your body naturally winds down, reducing the adrenaline surges that often leave you tossing and turning in the middle of the night. Many people eat carbs without understanding their timing or type, but using sweet potatoes strategically can transform your nights from restless to restful. Cinnamon isn't just a warm, familiar flavor. It actively supports blood sugar control, keeping insulin and glucose steady. This balance prevents sudden energy spikes that can make sleep elusive and protects your body from the subtle anxiety and tension that high blood sugar can trigger. A light serving, about half a medium sweet potato with a dusting of cinnamon, is sufficient to create this calming effect. It's a natural, easy-to-digest option that works like a gentle reset for your nervous system, and it can double as a satisfying dessert that doesn't weigh you down before bed. The beauty of this combination is its simplicity. You are not overcomplicating your evening. You're making a small, intentional choice that has a profound impact on your body's rhythm. Eating sweet potato with cinnamon teaches your system a new cue. This is the time to release stress, calm the mind, and prepare for restorative sleep. It subtly rewires your approach to nighttime nutrition, replacing guesswork and frustration with predictable results that encourage relaxation. By choosing foods like sweet potato and cinnamon, you're addressing one of the hidden causes of insomnia, hormonal imbalance triggered by diet. You're taking control in a way that's easy, comforting, and sustainable. Night after night, this simple habit can prevent cortisol spikes, reduce anxiety, and help your body fall into a natural restorative sleep cycle. And now we move to something small, colorful, and shockingly powerful for serotonin levels, another food that quietly transforms your nights. Food number 4 is a refreshing and vibrant combination: kiwi paired with blueberries, a mix that quietly primes your body for deeper, more restorative sleep. Kiwi has been shown in multiple studies to increase total sleep time and improve efficiency, meaning you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. This is largely due to its natural compounds that support serotonin, the neurotransmitter that not only regulates mood, but also serves as a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to rest. By eating kiwi before bed, you're gently nudging your nervous system into a rhythm that encourages natural, effortless sleep. Blueberries add another layer of benefit. Rich in antioxidants, they combat oxidative stress, which can accumulate from daily life and subtly interfere with brain function and hormone balance. Oxidative stress has been linked to disrupted sleep cycles and reduced melatonin production, so including antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries strengthens your body's ability to maintain a healthy, natural rhythm. Together, kiwi and blueberries create a synergy, Serotonin support from the kiwi and protective antioxidants from the blueberries, helping your body prepare for a calm, restorative night. Preparing this pre-bedtime bowl is simple and effortless. Slice 1 or 2 kiwis and toss them with a handful of fresh blueberries. You can add a sprinkle of chia seeds or a dash of cinnamon if you like, but the beauty of this mix is its simplicity. No cooking, no heavy digestion, just natural compounds ready to work while you rest. Eating it about an hour before bed allows your body to absorb the nutrients at the ideal time, setting the stage for melatonin production and a smoother transition into sleep. This small, colorful bowl is more than a snack. It's a deliberate act of care for your nervous system and overall health. By choosing kiwi and blueberries, you're giving your body tools to enhance serotonin and melatonin naturally, while shielding your cells from oxidative stress. It's easy to implement, scientifically credible, and remarkably effective, showing that even simple natural choices can profoundly influence sleep quality. A pre-bed ritual like this transforms your approach to nights that once felt restless into nights of gentle, supported restoration. Food number 3 is an elegant and surprisingly powerful solution. A warm cup of saffron tea, known for its unique ability to quiet the mind and ease the tension that keeps you awake. Saffron has been studied for its mood-lifting properties and its capacity to reduce anxiety, which is often the hidden culprit behind restless nights. Even a small dosage can make a meaningful difference, subtly lowering stress levels and signaling your nervous system that it's safe to let go and rest. The aroma and color of saffron alone carry a calming effect, creating a sense of ritual and comfort that helps your mind transition from the busyness of the day into a state of readiness for sleep. Beyond its anxiety-reducing qualities, saffron tea supports sleep latency, meaning it helps you fall asleep faster. When your thoughts race or your body feels tense, this tea works on multiple levels. It soothes your emotional state while gently priming the chemical signals in your brain for rest. The ritual of preparing and sipping the tea, a few threads of saffron steeped in hot water, becomes a nightly cue, a signal that your day is winding down and that your body can safely release tension. It's a simple practice, yet it carries both psychological and physiological weight, showing that calm and sleep are within reach without any pills or harsh chemicals. Incorporating saffron tea into your pre-bed routine is as much about the act as it is about the herb itself. Holding a warm cup, breathing in the subtle scent, and allowing a few minutes to slow down engages your senses and reinforces the habit of self-care. This combination of ritual, natural compounds, and gentle anxiety reduction transforms the approach to sleep from a struggle into a deliberate, soothing practice. You're giving your mind permission to relax, creating space for the restorative cycles your body needs to repair and rejuvenate. Saffron tea is proof that small, intentional choices can have a profound effect on your nights, turning anxiety into calm and sleeplessness into gentle rest. By making this ritual part of your evening, you're reclaiming control over your sleep, your mood, and your overall well-being. If anxiety is keeping you awake, the next 2 foods go even deeper. They relax your nervous system at a mineral level, addressing the roots of tension in a way that is natural, supportive, and lasting. Food number 2 is a simple but powerful nightly habit, a mix of pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, packed with magnesium and omega-3s to help your body and mind unwind. Magnesium plays a crucial role in relaxing your muscles, which can be especially helpful if restless legs or tension keep you tossing and turning at night. When your muscles release that subtle tension, your body naturally signals to your nervous system that it's safe to rest. At the same time, the omega-3s and chia seeds work on your brain, calming neural activity and supporting emotional balance, so racing thoughts don't sabotage your sleep. Together, these nutrients create a gentle, synergistic effect that prepares both body and mind for restorative rest. Including this mix in your evening routine is effortless. Just a small handful sprinkled over yogurt, a salad, or even enjoyed on its own provides the right balance of minerals and healthy fats without overloading your digestive system. The portion is easy to control, making it simple to turn into a consistent habit night after night. Over time, this consistency reinforces your body's natural sleep cues, teaching it to anticipate rest while the nutrients quietly do their work. You're not just eating seeds, you're stacking nutrients strategically to support your body's internal clock, calm your nervous system, and prevent those disruptive midnight movements that pull you out of sleep. This combination also addresses a common but often overlooked problem: restless legs. Many people dismiss this nightly irritation, assuming it's part of aging or stress. but magnesium deficiency is frequently a hidden contributor. By incorporating pumpkin and chia seeds, you're providing a natural solution that targets both the cause and the symptom, reducing tension and preventing the body from waking itself up unnecessarily. It's a subtle, smart approach to sleep that feels easy, natural, and entirely within your control. By making this small, deliberate choice each evening, you reclaim your nights from restless legs, tension, and mental chatter. You're empowering yourself with a habit that quietly supports muscle relaxation, brain calm, and overall sleep quality. Nutrient stacking like this transforms a simple act of eating into a restorative ritual, proving that even tiny intentional steps can dramatically improve your ability to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up refreshed. Food number 1, and the grand finale of our list, is golden milk, a warm, comforting drink made with turmeric, ashwagandha, and milk designed to reset cortisol and prepare your body for deep restorative sleep. Cortisol, often called the hidden sleep destroyer, can spike from stress or poor nighttime habits, leaving your mind racing and your body tense long after the day has ended. Golden milk works on multiple levels to counter this. Turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory, eases physical tension and reduces internal stress signals, while ashwagandha gently lowers cortisol, calming your nervous system from within. The warm milk adds a tryptophan bonus, helping your brain produce serotonin and melatonin, the chemicals that naturally guide you into sleep. Taken together, these ingredients form a nightly ritual that signals to your body it's safe to rest, to let go, and to recover. The power of golden milk lies not just in the nutrients, but in the ritual itself. Pouring the milk, stirring in the vibrant turmeric and adaptogenic ashwagandha, inhaling the warm, earthy aroma, this simple act becomes a cue for your nervous system to switch from alertness to relaxation. Over time, this transforms bedtime from a struggle against insomnia into a comforting practice that you actively control. You're no longer dependent on pills or quick fixes. You are reclaiming your nights. By creating this habit consistently, you train your body to expect rest and recovery, reinforcing your natural circadian rhythm and giving yourself the gift of sleep that truly restores both mind and body. Imagine lying down without the tension of racing thoughts or the fear of another interrupted night. Imagine waking up refreshed, alert, and unshackled from the dependency on sleep aids. This is more than a drink. It's a statement. It's proof that your health, your rest, and your nights can be guided by intentional, mindful choices, rather than quick pharmaceutical solutions. By stacking this habit on top of the other foods we've explored, mung bean sprouts, quinoa porridge, salmon, sweet potato, kiwi and blueberries, saffron tea, and pumpkin and chia seeds, you create a comprehensive nightly routine that targets every aspect of sleep: muscle relaxation, brain calm, hormonal balance, and emotional ease. Golden milk also connects to your identity. Each night you prepare it, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of taking care of your body and your mind. You're in control. You are not someone who passively waits for sleep to come or relies on medications to dictate your rest. Instead, you become the person who actively nurtures their nervous system, supports their hormones, and prioritizes restorative sleep as an achievable daily practice. The emotional payoff is profound: calm, confidence, and the quiet knowledge that you've chosen a path of natural, sustainable wellness. Before you reach for a pill tonight, remember, your kitchen may already hold something stronger. By embracing foods like golden milk and the other 7 natural sleep aids, you are taking deliberate, empowering steps to reclaim your nights, protect your health, and create a life where deep, restorative sleep is not only possible, but habitual.